In the first question of this exercise, it is given there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? So these are two boxes. Boxes means they are empty from inside. They are boxes, and then they are asking which box will require the lesser amount of material. It means we have to find the surface areas, total surface areas of both the boxes, because the material required will be on the surface area. Either it be a cardboard or paper or anything that would cover its surface area. So we have to find the total surface area of both the boxes and compare and see which box has the lesser surface area. The same box will require the lesser amount of material. So for that, we'll start with A part. So in A, you can see it is a cuboidal in shape, and to find the surface area of a cuboid, we have the formula surface area is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Why this formula is there? Because see, there is one surface, bottom surface, where the dimensions, it is rectangular in shape. It will be like this. It will be rectangular in shape, the bottom part, and its dimensions are length and breadth, which are 1640. Same for the top part also, it will be length into breadth. So it will be 2lb. Similarly for right and left part, it will be bh. So 2bh, and for front and back face, it is height into length. So two faces are there who has height into length. So that why 2 multiplied by length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So this is the formula for surface area of a cuboid. Now let's substitute the values. 2 into length is 60, breadth is 40, plus breadth is 40, height is 50, plus height is 50, and length is 60. Let's simplify this. 2 into 60 into 40, 2400, 40 into 50, 2000, 50 into 60, 3000. That is 2 into 7400, which comes out to be 14,800 square centimeters. So this is the surface area for A part. Now let's find the surface area for B part. As you can see, all the dimensions, length, breadth, height, all are same. It means it is a cube, and cube surface area, the formula is 6 into A square. 6 into A square means you can see there will be 6 faces: front, back, left, right, top and bottom, and each of those faces are square in shape, and area of a square is side square or A square. So area of one face multiplied by 6 will give us the total surface area of this cube. So 6 into A square means 6 into 50 square. 50 square is 2500. 6 multiplied by 2500 will give us 15,000 square centimeters. So the surface area for A part, that is cuboid, is 14,800. Surface area for the cube B, figure B, is 15,000 square centimeters. Then the question is asking which of the box requires lesser amount of material to make. It means which of the box will require less, which of the box has the lesser surface area, because that box will require the lesser amount of material. Lesser surface area is of A part. It means figure A or box A will require lesser amount of material. So this answer should be A part. Figure A will require lesser amount of material to make.
To know more about how QMath can help you become a master of math, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program taught by highly experienced and committed teachers.